Dear students, in this session we are going to see about rounding off a measurement. So round off a number. So in your physics, so whatever the measurements we are doing, that we have to round off sometimes. So that only that this topic is given in our syllabus. So it is a 18.35. We have to round off up to 3 digits. So 1, 2, 3 digits only we need. So how we can write? So you have to see the next digit. If the next digit is 5 means, if the last digit is 5 means, we have to write the next number for the preceding things. So it is a 3. So it is the next digit is 5 means we have to increase one number for the previous digits. So 3 will become 4. So if it is the last digit is 6 means, so we have to increase one number. So if it is a 5 or 5 and above, we have to increase one number. If the last digit is 4, we have to reduce one number. So here we have to reduce one number. Here we have to increase one number previous to the last digit's number. So 18.35 is approximately equal to 18.4. So that is the things we are day to day life we are doing that. So 18.33 means what you have to do that. 18.3, the last digit is less than 3. So we should not increase one number for this digit. So it is 18.3 only. For if it is up to the 3 digits, rounding off, then you see the next problem. So 9, that is 18,967. We have to round off up to 3 digits. So we have to round off these things up to 3 digits. So now you have to see the last 7. So 7 is greater than 5. So we have to increase one number, this one. So it will become 0 and 6 will become 7 and 9, 8, 1. So now you see the next one. So 7 is greater than 5. So we have to increase one number in the previous digits. So then we will get here 0. So automatically it will become 1 increases here. So 19,000. Sometimes students may ask question, sir, in the question they will ask only rounding up to 3 digits. So I will write 18900, sir. So it is a correct answer. This is so listen carefully. 18,970. So 18,970 is, by seeing the number itself, it is very closer to 19,000. So it is a plus 30 only we need. So if you say that this is the correct answer, means we have to minus 70. So that is wrong. So we have to rounding off very closer to next thing, either the plus or minus. So only I will say clearly. First you see the last digit greater than 5, put 0. Then if it is so you have to increase the previous digit as a 7. Now you see that this digit, so it is greater than 5. So you have to put 0 here and increase one number here. So if you increase one number, 0 and one number will be. Let us see another example. 18, 8, 6, 7. So I will put 18, 8, 6, 7. Then what will happen for this 7? We have to put 0, increase one number 7. Then what will happen? 8, 8, 1. So what is the question? Up to 3 digits. So again we need only these 3 digits, first 3 digits only. So what is we will remove that. So what is the last digit? Greater than 5. We have to increase one number. So what will happen? 0. So here 0. Then what will happen? One number increases means 9. That is 8, 1. So it is 18,900. Yes, 18,870 is approximately equal to 18,900. This is the correct answer. So understand the question clearly, concept clearly. So the next question. So 321.135, we have to round off up to 5 digits. 5 digits means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we need up to this. So what is the last digit? 5. If it is 5 means what we have to do? Increase one number. So it is a 14, 321.14. Then next one. So 101.55 into 10 power 6 into, we have to round off up to 4 digits. So what we have to, don't bother about 10 power 6, either it may be a plus 6 or minus 6, you put as it is. So count 1, 2, 3, 4. So up to 4 digits only we need. What about the last digits? 5. If it is 5, we have to increase one number, that is 101.6, 10 power 6. It is a correct answer. Then next one, 31.325 into 10 power minus 5. So as it is a 10 power minus 5, round off up to 4 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the last digits? It is a 5. We have to increase one number. So 31.33 into 10 power minus 5. So likewise we have to round off the digits. The next one we may round off by adding itself. So they are giving a 3 numbers, 7.21, 12.141 and 0.0028. So listen, after the decimal point 2, here the second number decimal point is 3. After the decimal point, the third number we have the 4. So just to add, they will give that add. The question is express the result in appropriate significant figure. So what is the appropriate significant figure means? So within these 3 number, which number has the lowest significant figure, that is appropriate. Okay. So which one has the lowest significant figure? Yes, this one, 1, 2, 3 only. These are 2 decimal points. So these are 3 and this is a 4. It is the lowest decimal points. So it is a 7.21, 12.141 and 0.028. Just to add all these things, we get 19.3538. So what is appropriate significant figures? So round off up to lowest number, rounding off. So lowest number is 21. It is a 2 digit. So 19.35. If it is if for example, if I say that if the number is come, it is a 67 for last 2 digits instead of 38, if it is a 67 means what you have to do that? You have to see the last digit. It is a 7. So we have to increase one number here. Here also 7. We have to increase one number here. So what will happen? 19.36. 19.36 is the answer. Again I will say that if the last 2 digit is 67 means we have to round off up to first 2 decimals. So these 2 we need. So last number is greater than 5. So you have to increase one number here. So 6 will become 7. Again the 7 is greater than 5. You have to increase one number here. So we get the answer 19.36. So you have to work out very clearly. So similarly for the subtraction also, 4.27153, 5 decimal points, here the 3 decimal points, we have to subtract it and also express in appropriate significant figures. So just to subtract with the bigger number minus smaller number, we get this one. So appropriate significant figures means only 3 decimal points, 1, 2, 3. So 3 decimal points we have to take. So after subtracting we get these numbers. So 7 is greater than what will happen? Greater than 5. So we have to put here 5. So the 5 is we have to increase one number. Yes, here we have to increase one number. It is the value is 2.536. So likewise we have to do the problems very clearly. So the significant figure also, significant figure as well as the rounding off is also a very important for JEE and need based questions.